welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a 4th of July look, or I have already done the 4th of July look. Happy 4th of July, everyone. I hope you guys all have fun plans or are going somewhere or doing something fun on this day. I'm working, unfortunately, but I have something to do when I get out. We're not open all day, so I don't have to spend the whole day there, which is good. If this is your first time coming onto my channel, my name is Amanda Marie, and this is my YouTube channel. Welcome. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit that little notification bell so that every time I upload a new video, you guys are the first to know. Also, you can follow me on all of my other social media. I'm super active on Facebook and Instagram, and I will put my usernames up somewhere. And without further ado, let's just get into how I created this 4th of July look. I hope you guys all have a good day. Love you guys. Bye. Hi guys! Alright, here we go. So I'm going to be using my BH Take Me Back to Brazil palette for this look. The first thing I'm going to do is go in with this brownish shade here and just use that as my transition color in the crease. And to do that, I'm going to use my BH Pro Series brush number 5. And just so you know, it's like 100 degrees here. I am sweating more than I could ever even explain to you guys. I mean, it is hot. Now I'm going to go in with this red color. I'm going to apply that into my crease. Again, I'm going to use my BH Pro Series brush 5. Now I'm going to take my BH Cosmetics brush number 103 and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to apply this royal blue to the outer lid, to the outer crease, and kind of bring it over maybe halfway across my lid. Now I'm going to take this silver glitter, and this is what I'm going to use for kind of the white, and I guess to represent the stars on the flag. I'm not sure where I got this glitter, and it doesn't say anything on it except for the number 3. So yeah, I just have this random glitter, and that's what I'm using. So I'm going to take my MUA smudge brush and I'm going to go ahead and do underneath my eye. I'm going to add the same blue to the outer under corner of my eye, and I'm going to put the red in the middle. And then for my lower lash line, I'm going to take my NYXI, an eyebrow pencil crayon in the color white, and I'm just going to apply that to my lower lash line. For mascara, I am using the Maybelline New York Colossal Big Shot Volume Express Mascara, and for drugstore mascara, I actually really like the curl and the volume that this one gives. This is probably my second or third time using it, and I've been pretty happy with it. And of course we can't forget lipstick. I'm gonna use again my Bite Beauty lipstick in the color Shameless. I have been wearing the hell out of this lipstick lately. I absolutely love it. So this is my final look, guys. I hope you like it. I am gonna go get ready for work, and I hope you all enjoy your 4th of July. I love you guys. Bye.